Well, that's fucked. Off to the depot. We went to Home Depot with a very specific design in mind. However, I was having a difficult time navigating the store with my newfound freedom on this electric shopping cart. Finally, we asked one of the depot folk, and he said,
Aisle 7.
So we made our way there.
It's hard to get situated when I'm not vertical.
You need to pick you up?
We found the goods, and we were off.
Well, stop for a sec. Oh, she's made for two, clearly. We should really open it up. Okay. She's built for cruising.
We are in no way, shape, or form building professionals. This is how you fix a broken gate with a broken leg. The mission was clear. Fix a decrepit gate on the front porch of my newfound home in the woods. But how would we do it? Where would we go wrong? Well, it turns out we would go really, really wrong in quite a few places, actually. We started out by replacing the microscopic existing screws in the hinges with 3-inch construction screws, which did absolutely nothing. Time to delve into the process. Time to do it right. One drill? Check. One hole in the top left and bottom right corners of the gate? Affirmative. We spun a screw eye into each hole and prepped our turnbuckles. Now onto the other side of the gate. We repeated the same process as the inside and went on to prep and connect the first cable clips. It was at this moment that Steve began to question his entire existence.
What the hell's going on? You don't want to fully just take this apart.
Why are you doing it on the pillow?
I don't know, so I don't lose things down my back. Just fucking, why don't you worry about what you're doing over there?
I'm not doing it.
Exactly. No fucking got the goddamn thing in there now.
Well, anyway, we got the first one connected and pressed forward like true do-it-yourself champions. Here you'll notice that while I am wearing safety spectacles, this is definitely how you cut aircraft cable like a dumbass. With the cable cut to length, we brought in the first turnbuckle and got it clipped into place. We ground off the excess and got prepped for the next run.
You're fucking nuts.
We took a super accurate measurement by eye for our last cut on the inside of the gate and proceeded to make use of the professional aircraft cable cutting machine. It was around this moment when the whole plan started getting a little bit questionable. I mean, we had a lot going for us. We had mastered our cable clip connection methods, and we had even restructured the janky board that held the latch in place. What we didn't realize was that while we mindlessly carried on, while we whacked the cable clips and ratcheted them into place, while we measured for our next cuts and pulled everything nice and taut, we had actually effectively bent the gate in half. Ah yes, we'll mend the problem with some structure-enhancing construction screws. This also did literally nothing. At some point, our trusty Sony decided it didn't want to film us anymore. So it missed us ripping the gate off, tossing it into the bush, recomposing ourselves, bringing it back onto the deck, and here we are. Still wrestling the demon gate into submission, I had a brainwave. We cut 2 triangles from plywood, which effectively did nothing at all.
He's gonna buy him dinner, buy him supper. I'm donating my time to the disabled.
It turns out there was a massive flaw in our design. The cables didn't need to form an X. What the design called for was one cable hanging from the hinge to the catch on the inside and one on the outside. Once we got our shit together, we moved the latch back up to its original location. Any lessons learned? Yeah, you can fix it. You should probably just build a new one though.
It's hard to get situated when I'm not vertical. It feels strange in a Home Depot.